do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Make sure, if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe down below, like this video if you liked it, and comment down below. And remember, when we reach 350 subscribers, a giveaway is happening. So don't forget to share and tell all your friends about Beard Talk with Matt. So what it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube. So we're in for a real treat today as I review Bad Dogs Beard Co., the Havana Reserve. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. So as you could tell before, I was pointing to this wicked awesome hat. These are Jeff's new hats. And I appreciate you sending me out one, brother. And these things are awesome. The gray, it's high quality, even with the mesh. I've been wearing it for 5 days straight. I wore it to this little fall festival. The wind was blowing. It's perfect. It's not too hot, and it keeps your head cool. So Jeff, kudos on the hat, my brother. As you heard before, I just said Jeff. Jeff is the owner of Bad Dogs Beard Co. And Jeff is a great guy. He's one of my favorite owners out there, and I have a handful of few, and he's one of them. From the first moment I've talked to him, when I first got the products, I could tell that customer service was #1 on his list. And when I purchased it, he messaged me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. It means so much to me. Jeff, your customer service means so much to me. I appreciate it, brother. And ever since then, I've had so many conversations with him since. And it goes back to the socks. It goes back to the Bruins. It goes back to the past. It goes about beards. It's just a fun kind of conversation. Every conversation is funny with this guy and fun. And I enjoy each and every one of them. So, Jeff, his company's based out of New England, Maine to be exact. And I was wicked excited to find my first New England company. As most of you know, and if you don't know, I'm a New England kid. As you can tell by the Sox jersey, we in the World Series. What did you expect? So, I'm very excited to do this review. I'm very wicked excited to support New England company. And Jeff, you got a customer for life, brother. So, as I said before, we're reviewing Havana Reserve. This stuff right here is absolutely amazing. We'll get into that in a second. Let's talk about the labeling. The labeling is very awesome. Maybe you can see it better on the balm. With all his oils and balms around here, you can get the scent profile picture kind of. And this is like the tobacco around here, because this is a Cuban tobacco base with cinnamon, vanilla, and pepper. And it's absolutely amazing. So we'll get into this. This is a 1 ounce amber bottle. Shake it, smell a little bit. I actually have this in today, not knowing that I was going to film this review, but I'm glad I did. I got actually a few compliments on it today, and they happen to be cigar smokers. So, this oil, if you can see that, it's about as clear as it gets. This is like water. It's clear. I'd say it's on the medium thickness, which is something I really enjoy. And the scent. You definitely get that Cuban tobacco base. It's like a sweet Cuban cigar, I would describe it as, with the cinnamon. You get the spice from the cinnamon and pepper, and the smoothness and the warmth from vanilla. My best friend's father-in-law smoked a lot of cigars, mostly Cuban cigars, and watching sports games with them or hanging out with them. Right off the bat, this is the scent I get, and this is spot on to a Cuban cigar from every time I've smelled them being smoked and not being smoked. Great job, Jeff. So let's get into the ingredients in this. He's got argan oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and the fragrance oils, which is the Cuban tobacco base with the cinnamon, vanilla, and pepper. What I like also about his labels is they're very clean. And right here he has the Instagram logo, the Facebook logo, and the YouTube logo. And you can follow him at Bad Dog Beards. That's pretty cool. I've never really seen any on any bottles, and spot on, Jeff. Let me plug his YouTube here. He actually has some how-to videos. He actually used, I think, a hot brush or something that I'm actually thinking about trying. It looked really cool. I can't wait to see more videos from him. So we go to the balm, same thing. Great graphics, great stickers on here. Now the ingredients: shea butter, argan oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, beeswax, and the fragrance, which is the Cuban tobacco base with the cinnamon, vanilla, and pepper. Now, this is one of my favorite balms. I'm going to be straight up with you. It's definitely going to be one of my tops. It's more on the white tint, which is nothing wrong with that. White, yellow, doesn't matter. If you can see, I've been using quite a bit of it. I actually love this stuff. I've actually done a unscented beard oil and just use the balm sometimes. And the balm, it lasts all day. So it's smooth. It comes out, it emulsifies instantly. I absolutely love this stuff. And just like on his bottles, he has the YouTube, the Instagram, the Facebook, Bad Dogs Beards. So I would definitely say, as I just worked an 8-hour shift, and I can still smell this in my beard, and it's not a small smell. It's very significant, and it's still pretty decently strong. And the balm conditions, and everything goes in the beard absolutely amazing and perfect. It softens. I'm absolutely impressed. Now, you want to hear something more impressive? The pricing. Absolutely tremendous. Matt, how much does this go for, you say? $10. What? Yeah, $10. What about the balm? It must go for like $25. $12.99. And listen to this. $21.99 for both. 2-ounce balm, 1-ounce oil. Highest quality out there. One of the highest qualities out there. Can't beat it. So, go check out baddogsbeardco.com and check it out. This is Matt approved.